Assalamualaikum and good day to my students. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to install the Joomla templates. So, actually, you can get a lot of template from the internet. So, for example, just Google Joomla templates. But since we are using the Joomla 5, so try to look at the Joomla uh, template for version 5. But for example, let's say I just click the first one. Okay. So from this website, actually you can get a lot of templates, right? So but there is a free and also the paid one. Okay, so you can use the template for your projects. So let's try to look at another site or this. But don't worry, for your exercise, I already prepared a template for you. So you just download the template from the given file from the folders inside the U features. Later on, I need you to go to U features. Try to look at these online learnings and then try to download the template first. So here are some of the free templates from the website. So you can download and use it for your group projects. All right. So for example, let's say I want to use these templates. So what I need to do, just click the template and then you can freely download it. Right. So try to look at the download button here. But this is not I'm going to do for today because I already have a template for you, just like I said before this. So okay, let's start with our Joomla. First thing first, make sure your XAMPP is turned on. Turn on your XAMPP. Make sure your Apache and MySQL is running, right? And then try to locate back your website. And I need you to go to the administrator page. So login back to your website. Okay, first thing first, on how to download or install the template. So the template that I'm going to use today is a Helix templates. So in order for you, okay, let me check first what are our current template inside our Joomla. So you always can go to the system and then try to go to site template system, start site template start. So this is our default, which is a Cassiopeia. Right, this is a default template when I browse my site. This is the templates, right? I'm going to change to another template. So in order for us to change to another template, you have to install it first. Okay, to install, you have to go to system menu and then try to look under install and then go to extensions. So from here, right? Okay, you can browse the file. Okay, so I already prepared the file here. Right, this is the template that I'm going to install, which is a Helix Ultimate template. This is version 2.0.18. Okay, so again, so what should I do? Just click and browse ataupun, or you can just simply drag and drop, right? Drag and drop. Okay, so just wait until the installation finish. Alright, until you get this message, installation of the plugin was successful. So I need you to go back to the system and then try to go back to the set template style. So this is my template, Shaper Helix Ultimate default. So to make this template as a default view, so what you have to do, just click this button to set default. So now if I reload my page, so this will be my default templates. Helix. So you can customize this template later, right? So you can change the logo, for example. You can change the layout, right? You can change the appearance of the templates and so on. Okay, so how to change the template? Okay, just simply click the name of the templates, and then you go to the template option. I will show you one by one for this one. All right, so in here, this is the button that you're going to use. You have the basic preset layout menu and so on. So this is the menu, the view for desktop if the user visit your website using the computers, and this is for tablet if you are using tablet view, and this is a phone view mobile. So you can see how your website will look like if they are using the different format or the different devices. Okay, let's try to go to the basic first. Okay, in here, first thing first, you can change this helix ultimate what we call icon, right? Logo if you want, or you can simply using your text. If I using my text, I can change this my website. This is the default one when you register your Joomla. Let's say maybe I just put my company name here. All right, so it will change to my name, something like this. All right. So, but if you want to use that image, so you have to click here and then you have to locate the image. So you need to have the image first lah. For example, let's say I just Google from the internet. This is for sample one. Actually, for your project, you have to use the proper or the correct logo. So let's say I try to find my logo from the internet. Logo. Uh, Yes. Oh, there's some. Okay, maybe I can use for this one. All right. So I need to copy this one. But for your project again, please use the correct logo lah. All right. So just save this one as a logo in my folder. All right. So back to my Joomla. So from here, you have to click the select button and try to browse the logo. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to upload first the logo. So it should be here. All right. So this is my logo. All right. Click and select. So this is my logo. All right. Uh, so this is logo for mobile user, right? Sometime when you click a mobile, it won't okay, it show the logo also. If you want to make sure that the logo also will be viewed at the mobile platform, so please select again the same logo. Right. So you also can change the height of the logo, right? So currently this is a default one. Let's say for example I just put 50 px, so you can see the changes of the size of the logo. So make sure the size is not let's say I just put 100 here. All right, okay, it's not to be like this lah, and we cover the what we call the header. So make sure you put the correct pixel here. Okay, okay, maybe I need to decrease a little bit. Okay, I think 60 is quite good enough. Okay, favorite icon is here. This is a favorite icon, right? You can change this. Actually is a Joomla logo, right? Joomla icon. You can change it. You can use the same logo, right? So try to save first this one, and then let me try to view. So currently the logo is already changed, right? You can see the home logo here. This should be my favorite icon logo. But actually this one is optional lah. If you didn't do this one also, it should be no problem. Okay, go to header. Okay, this is the type of header. Currently, I am using the top bar style, which is I have the social icon here, social media, and I have the contact number here. I have the sign in and searching button here. If you select minimal layout, the layout should be like this. This is a full width, right? So it's up to you lah which one you want to use it. right? This is the full width center, right? This is multiple row, and this is left model, center models, right? This is a full model, top bar. You can test an error lah. For example, let's say I just select left model. If I save, this one I can close. If I reload this one, so it will be something like this lah. So I will have a menu here, right? So this is menu. One menu will be here. All right. So it's up to you lah which one you want to use. But maybe for this exercise, I just leave it top bar classic lah. Let's say so it will be back to here. Okay. And then okay, for the searching one, if you want to not to show to the users, so you just click here, so you will hide the search button, right? And the login also, if you don't want to have like your website maybe you don't have like member registration and so on, so you don't need to use the login button, right? So sticky header. So what is the meaning of the sticky header? Sticky header is something like that. If you have this website, you have to you scroll down the site. So the site, the menu is still maintained on the top of the page, right? If you didn't put the sticky, when you scroll down, the menu also will be hide ataupun scroll with the cursor lah. So I think the better one is just leave it sticky header, right? So go to body part, right? This is the body preloader. Preloader meaning that you can give some animation when the people visit or entering your website. So there is a lot of loader type that you can use. Let's say for example, I just select audio waves, just click save, and then when I release, you can see there is a wave, but it's too fast. Right? You can see the wave. Okay, this is what we call loader. Box layout. Let me test first this one. What is this? Okay, if you select box layout, you can see there is like a box inside your page. So currently it will be like this is no box. If I reload, this is box. There will be a space between the on your left screen and your right screen. This is a box. But if you don't want to use this one, you can remove it. But box, you can add the background for the box. So for example, let's say I just using the bar inside here. Okay, as my box. If I've saved, right, you can see there's a background here, something like this lah. Okay, but if you don't want to use that one, you just leave it, turn off it, and then you can go to footer, right? So footer here you can put the copyright, right? Copyright. So this is a copyright. You can put your company name here, right? You can put your company name here. For example, I just put this IT Solutions. This is simple, right? If I put here, okay, this is my footer. So my footer will be here. Later, if you want to change the color, I'm going to show you. Later. Go to top here. Okay, go to top. You're going to have one. If you scroll down, later on you're going to have one button here. When you click the button, you automatically go to the top of your screen. Right. Okay, social icon here. Right. So for the social icon, if you don't want to show the social icon, you just leave it, turn off it. So you will hide the social icon. But if you want to use the social icon, right, the model position, please don't change it. Okay. This one, this is the Facebook. Okay. For example, let's say I just put in my Facebook address. If I'm not mistaken, it should be something like this. All right. This is Twitter. If you don't want to use Twitter or other than other social media, just remove the hashtag. So it will remove from the screen. Link. I have the link URL. Linked URL. All right. I have my LinkedIn URL. Just put this one. This is my LinkedIn URL. Dribble, I don't have. I don't want to. If you have your Instagram, for example, you can put it, but I don't want to have a full Instagram. YouTube channel, for example, it's not necessary to put all the things. You just put the important things or the link that you want to show for the in the screen. So this is a YouTube. Flickr, I forgot already my URL. Skype, I don't want to use Skype. WhatsApp, I believe that you can put something like this. UK user, I don't have. Custom, we can put other than this lah. Alright, so custom info is this one, right? So this is you can put your phone name number. If I want, let's say for example, I just want to put my mobile number and my contact mail. Alright, so opening hours is also optional. Alright, let me see first this one. If I reload, so I'm going to have my phone number here, and this is my link. Okay, so I can click like this. So something wrong with this one. Maybe I can change the link. Maybe there's something wrong with the WhatsApp link. So later I'll change it. Okay. Where is the social account? Domain. Or maybe this one no need to put. Let's try to remove the HTTP. All right, something like this lah. Okay. Okay. For example, let's say I just want to create my LinkedIn. Say they open my LinkedIn. All right, I already have this one. My YouTube channel. Okay. So something like that lah. Okay. So let's try to go to coming soon. Okay. As let's say your website is not ready yet, right? You only have the domain name or URL. You can always enable this coming soon. You can change the title. Let's say coming soon title. Let's say mm, okay, this website will be uh, will be ready as soon as possible. For example, so you can put your content here. You can something the type here lah. You can type something here. This should be your contents, right? So but at this beginning time, maybe you can on your social icon, your page titles, your page content, and countdown. You also can put your logo, right? If you want this one, and also for the background. Okay, let's say for example. This should be my one. Okay, this site will be ready as soon as possible. So coming soon content because I didn't yet type anything, right? So this is the what we call the total stay when the website will be available, right? So but the social media is working, right? All right, this is what we call okay. Date for countdown. I forgot to tell you, right? You can change it. So when is the website ready, right? Maybe I can change 2004. Contoh lah, this is example only. Let me try to something like this. Okay, 220 days. If you want to add the background, so maybe I just using this background. Select. All right. If I save, I'm going to have something like this. But I can't see the wordings. So that's why you have to change the words to bright colors after this. Okay. So this is one of the example lah, but I don't want to use this one. Just disable first the enable coming soon. Right. See. Okay. Now the second one is a preset buttons. Preset button will change the appearance of your site, something like this, the colors. Right. It won't sometimes it won't work for the what you call the colors. So what you can do, actually, you can have your own colors by clicking the custom style here. Enable the custom style. You can change the top header. Okay. All right. Let me try to change the top header. I want to have my own color for the top header. Top bar. Sorry, this one. Sorry. Top bar. The top bar is this one. Right. Okay, let me try to change the background color to this color, for example. All right. I can change the text color, right? Okay, you will change the text color actually. Try to see. Okay, this is the text color. Let me try to change to another color. Save. Okay, let me try to go to reset back. Okay, okay. Try to go back to custom style. All right. So the color, oh, actually the color should be changed to blue color, but this one still remain uh white color. So let me try to save. All right. Let me try to see. Maybe my browsing data is not clear. I try to open with another browser. Okay, so you can see this is a blue color actually. But don't use the blue color something like this lah. Your text color and the background color must be contra. So if you're using uh the background color is dark color, so your text color should be bright. So maybe I'm going to use white color for this. All right, and then for header, so header is this one with the logo, right? So actually, this logo you have to remove the what we call the transparent. You have to transparent the logo first, then barulah you punya website to the logo seems nice lah. So maybe I can show you there is one website that can remove the background. Okay, this is the site. You go to remove.bg and then try to upload your image. So I want to remove the background, the color one. I want to transparent the logo. So click this one. It will take time sometime, right? Okay, now I can download it. So this one is already uh logo. This is, let's say, transparent. All right, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to replace the current logo with the logo. So just go back to basic and I can go to logo here and then I can select. I need to upload it again since it is this is a the another type another format of image which is a PNG. The previous one is the this one also PNG with the white color, but this one with the transparent. So it's something like this. Okay. You can use the same thing for this mobile. All right. Okay, now I'm going back to preset here. So for my header, I can change it with my own background. For example, this is my header. Let me try to change with this color. Let me save it. All right. So maybe I can view from here. Okay, this is red color here. Maybe the top one I can change to. Oh, this one should be. white color and say, let's see, I just put dark color, a little bit dark color, right? And for header, let me try to use light color, something like this. Okay, yeah, all right, let me see. Try to see the output. Okay, something like this lah. Okay, try to combine a good colors lah. Okay, this one is for testing only, right? Okay, for text color here, actually you can change it. If I'm not mistaken, okay, you can go to, this is my, sorry, header. This is logo, color, menu. Okay, this is a menu, right? Menu text color, maybe I'm going to change it to a little bit dark color or light color. Maybe I'm going to use, uh, let me try to use this color. All right, change to this color already. But home still want blue color because this is not the active one. This is the active one, active color. Right? So you can change the active color, right? So meaning that you are in this what we call in this page. So what you can do, you can see the active text color here. This is the blue color. If I want to change to white colors, this is hover. When you mouse over color, what will happen? You can change the text color, right? So maybe when I hover, it will change to maybe change to orange color, for example. This is up to you, right? The dot is on. Okay. So let me save. Let me try. Okay. So see, this the yellow is the current one. Okay. This is the what we call uh white color is the clicking one. If you click, okay, let me try to click homes. So what will happen? Okay, this is the current page. So the color should be white color. Okay, the link color, and then when you point your mouse to the menu, you change to the orange color. All right. Okay. Now go back to here. How about canvas menu here? Off canvas menu, right? This is when you want to use layout something like this. No, the we call the header, right? Wait, okay, if I want to have something like this. Canvas menu, I think you have to turn on the off canvas menu in order for you to use this one. You're going to have the menu from your last on this one. Okay, this is off canvas menu actually, right? Off canvas menu. Okay, settle that one. You can change this one, right? If you want to change. For example, maybe this is a background, right? If I click, I should save it first. All right. Okay, so this is the background and so on. You can change that. This is off canvas menu. All right, go back to here. All the colors also you try to change it lah. For the body, right? You can change. This is the color for the text body. So currently my text color is black color by default. You can change from here, right? You can change the background color if you want, but just leave it let's say like I'm just change a little bit gray here. If I save, you can see the background change to gray already, right? So it's up to you lah. You have to combine a good color actually, right? And then what else? Yeah, link color also you can change. If inside your page there is a link, then you can use the links. You can change the link colors, right? So kalau ada link lah. Okay. So back to here. Okay. What else? Yeah. Footer. Okay. Okay, this is for footer, right? You can change the background for the footer color. Okay. So if cannot change, I show you later on how to change it. Right? Let me try. Let me try. Supposedly the black color will change to another color. See, this one changed already. This is what I call the top. When I click, you go back to the top bar, right? Okay, alright. The text color you can change. This is the text color, right? Link color and so on. Okay. Now go to the layout. Layout I'm going to show you later, right? So by default, this is the layout of your site. You're going to have a title here. This is the title. Uh, yeah, title will include the header. You're going to have body. Main body is here. Home is the main body. The content of your website. You can add bottom, right? You can separate or you can have a section inside your page. You can click section by section. For example, like if you go to website, your whole website, so actually this website they give a section. This is one section. This is another section. This is another section. This is also another section, and also footer is another section. Right. So how to do this one? Okay, from here. You have to change from here. But that one later lah, Menu or menu also I don't want to show you or task about this one first. Just go to the type. Alright, for the typography, okay, you can change the type for body, right? Currently I'm using the Helvetica. If I want to change to another uh text type, for example, but please select the text that you can read, right? For example, don't use the fancy font now, Okay, something like this. Let's say I'm going to use enter. You can test an error like this one, Inspirations. This is something like I won't saya tak galakkan lah for those user using this one because it's very difficult for people to read, right? So it's not easy to read text like this. It's very difficult. So don't use this kind of text lah, So make sure you select text that people can read. Okay, let's say I just put lemon. Oh, this one also Lato. Okay, I think this one should be quite good enough lah. But you can change the size of the text and so on. Even the colors of the font also you can change it. For heading one, right? So if in your site there is a text that using this format, it will follow your format. Okay, for heading, okay, you can use fancy font because it's only one. It's only for title. Let's say I just use Boko here. Okay, something like this. If I say, right, you can see only the heading. This is H1. This is also H1. Okay, well, I think the text is quite big for this one. So what you can do, you can change it. Okay, 36 maybe I just put like 14. This I think is quite good enough. All right, 14 is quite good enough, right? So if I save, remove because it's the text is quite big, right? So but the heading is still there lah. Okay, because this is I said this one is heading one. This is also heading one. So you can set the heading two, heading three, and so on like the same things, right? Okay, block, custom code, and advanced I will show you later. So when you save, go right. So this is how you can change the what we call the template. If you click back the Cassiopeia default as a default, if you reload, you will back to the first one, right? So you always can change the what we call the template style if you want to use if you have a few templates, right? So all right, guys. So please do this the first exercise